multiple. This 12 is called multiple. And what about 2 and 6? This 2 is a factor. And 6 is also a factor. 2 and 6 are factors of this number 12. When we multiply 2 and 6, we got 12, and 12 is known as product actually, and it has another name that is known as multiple. So when we come to the multiple, these 2 and 6 are called factors. So 2 and 6 are factors of this 12. And what about 12? And 12 is multiple. 12 is multiple of 2 and 6, and 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Okay. So here you need to write. You have to note down in your notebook this all. So after writing this, you will write one more thing, that is, you will write 2 and 6 are factors, F-A-C-T-O-R-S, factors of 12. Again, and 12 is a multiple of 2 and 6. So when we multiply these two numbers, we get 12, and that 12 is multiple. And you shouldn't think that only 2 and 6 are multiple of 12, or 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Only this much. Is not there, or are not there any numbers besides this 2 and 6 as factors of 12? So many numbers are there. So this 12 has so many numbers are there which are factor of 12. Let us see. My question was, are 2 and 6 factors of 12? Yes, 2 and 6 are factors of 12. Are not there any numbers besides 2 and 6 as factors of 12? There are so many numbers are there. For example, 1 into 12. 1 12 are 12. Is not it? That means what about this? That means you shouldn't think, or you shouldn't accept or think that 2 and 6 are only factors of 12. There are so many factors. For example, 1 and 2 means 12 has many factors. For example, 1 into 12, you will get 12. And 2 into 6, that means 2 6 are 12. If you multiply 2 and 6, you will get 12. If you multiply 1 and 12, you will get 12. Again, if you multiply 3 and 4, you will get 12. That means what about this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So these numbers are the factors of 1, 2, 3, here 4, 6, and 12. So these numbers are called the factors of 12. That means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 numbers. There are 6 factors. Total 6 factors are, this 12 has total 6 factors. And they are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. This is how we find the factors of a number, of a given number. Okay? Now, Now, let's have a practice. So we have 3 questions here, A, B, and C. Now you need to fill up the blanks. Fill in the blanks. For example, dash and dash are factors of 15. So here on the right hand side you have, you can see 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Then what will you write here in the first and the second blank? So in the first and the second blank you will write blank and blank are factors of 15. That means 3 and 5 are factors of 15. And what will you write here? Is a multiple of 3 and 4. So it's not, again here 3 5s are 15. Here is 15. Okay. So looking at that, this number, you have to fill up here. Is a multiple of 3 and what? So you will write 3 and 5. That means 15. You will write your 15. 15 is a multiple of 3 and 5. And is the factor of every number. So which number is the factor of every number? Which number is the factor of every number? Okay, I will tell you. 1. You will write here 1. This is very important question. 1 is the factor of every number. So now I want to discuss with you about this. 1 is the factor of every number. How? Now I'm gonna tell you how 1 is the factor of every number. Taking 2 examples, we will try to find out all the factors of given numbers. For example, on the left hand side it is 12 and on the right it is 15. Now we are going to find out all the factors of 12 and all the factors of 15 here. Okay. Now look at this. You will start with 1. You shouldn't forget this one, okay? This is the first method. You start with 1 and multiply. Now which number you will multiply so that you will get 12? If you multiply 12, 1 12, you will get 12. Again, after 1, then next number is 2. Now you try to find out which number should be multiplied so that you will get the product 12. So you will multiply here 6. So you will get the product 12. Now again after 2, we have 3. After 1, you will write 2. After 2, you will write 3. Okay. If there are possibility from the table number 3 multiple number, will you get the 3 or 12 as a multiple of 3? Yes. 3 4s are 12. And then again 4. After 3, what is the next number? 4. So 4 has already come here. So therefore you will not write. That means it is over. 4 has already come here. 3 4s are 12 or 4 3s are 12. It is the same. Okay. That means how many factors? 1, 2, 3, and this 4, put the comma, again 6, and 12 are factors of 12. So we have got the answer. This is the answer, okay? Can you see this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12 are the factors of 12. So this is how we find the factors of a given number. So here on the right hand side also you will do the same. You will start with 1. 1 15s are 15. And after that second number is 2. Is there any possibility that you will get 15? Is the 15 the multiple of 2? 212, 224, 236, 25, 10, 26, 12, 27, 14, 28 16. You are not going to get the 15. So cancelled. You will not get 15 out of 2. Then after 2 you will go to 3. 3 5 15. So after 3 you will go to 4. So is there any possibility? 4 1 4, 4 2 8, 4 3 12, 4 4 16, 4 5 20. You are not going to get 15. That means you will stop. That means we have 4 factors. 1, there's 3, 5 and 15. 3, 5 and 15 are factors of what? 15. So now make comparison between this 12 and 15. So how many factors does 12 have? So 12 has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Yeah. This 12 has 6 factors, whereas this 15 has only 4 factors, and they are 1, 3, 5 and 15. But what is the common thing between 12 and 15? That is 1. Look, this is the common thing here, 1, and here is also 1. That means 1 is the factor of every number. Here is 2. 2 is the factor of 12, but 2 is not the factor of 15. Okay? And here is 6. 6 is the factor of 12, but 15 has not 6 as the factor. Okay? That means, but here what is the common one thing? That is 1. 1 you will find everywhere. Therefore, we say that 1 is the factor of every number only. So thank you. Thank you very much for watching the video.